Okay, so we have y is greater than -2. Let's do that one first. And when it only has the letter y, we're going to say that this is a horizontal line, meaning horizontal runs left to right, okay? So let's go to y equals -2. Let's stick our dot, -1, -2. And then we have to determine what kind of line it is. Is it a dotted line or a solid line? So remember, in order to do that, I look over here at this inequality sign. My inequality sign is just greater than. It doesn't have an equal to underneath it. So because it does not, this is what we say as dotted. Some people call it broken. Some people call it dashed. It looks like this. I call it dotted just because I feel like you're making dots with the line. So it's horizontal, so let's do that. Let's draw our line, and it's dotted, so I just kind of make little dash marks going left to right, and it doesn't matter how far you draw your line, just make sure it's dotted, dashed, broken, etc. Now we have to determine which way am I going to shade? Well, if you look at your horizontal line, it cuts things into two parts. You have whatever's above it and whatever's below it. So it depends on greater than -2. If I look at the y-axis, here's my -2 right here. If I look at the y-axis, where is greater than -2? On the y-axis, okay? Remember that goes up and down like this. So if I want numbers that are greater than -2, I want all this stuff up here. All of these numbers on the y-axis are greater than -2. So that's where I'm going to shade, is up here. So I don't care how you shade it. You can shade a bunch. You can shade a little bit going right to the line. It really doesn't matter as long as you show, hey, the stuff that's above this line is your solution set. That's what we call it, a solution set, okay? All right, so that's all I have to say for this one. Come back and we're going to graph some diagonal lines, okay? I'll see you in a bit.